Good morning. Today McCain Adventures just finished upgrading the fridge slider. The reason why we did it is, one, we upgraded the fridge, and two, the cord kept falling out and being disconnected off the fridge to the caravan. Disconnect the power from your isolator and your battery. Install the Anderson plugs. So the plugs that were on there were a female cigarette plug. It kept falling out, and the male was in the fridge. Another Anderson plug. The bracket cable. This cable runner is from ARB. We're not sponsored. The bolts are down in there, and the screws, they're nylots. Another bracket, and then the Anderson plug. Make sure that you heat shrink and clip it in correctly. That's how you install the fridge slider. It works like a treat. We just got back from Cape York. Had no dramas. That's the cable runner. Have a good day. For more of these videos, please like McCain Adventures on Facebook. Please subscribe to McCain Adventures on YouTube. Please follow McCain Adventures on Instagram. Please visit www.mccainadventures.com.au. Thank you. Have a good day.